You are interested in joining the voiceover industry and you are finding it difficult to stand out of the crowd, or each project you are doing have been flopping. Have you ever imagined what might be wrong? Then this video is going to show you everything. There are certain techniques that you have to put in place for you to be one of the best voiceover artists, and I have actually packaged everything right in this video. Wouldn't you like to take a look? Some of the mistakes that people make these days is to look for ways to make money through voiceover instead of looking for ways for them to be better at voiceover. So these are different things that many people miscalculate, and they think just because they have that voice talent they might be able to have a very good voiceover. So if you are ready to be on top of your voiceover game, then I want you to watch every aspect of this video, because in this video is going to guide you from step 1 and step 2 and step 3, and you can't afford to miss any of them. So ensure you watch it. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Now, before you rush off to start promoting your voice talent, there are certain things you need to put into consideration to avoid getting missed in the crowd and to be on top of your game. Proper breath controls allows for sustained delivery and avoid interruptions. Firstly, you need to focus on your breathing. Next up, work on your diction and pronunciation. Enunciate clearly, articulate your word, and also pay close attention to any local accent that might affect whatever you are saying. Another essential aspect of voiceover is mastering your vocal range and tone. You can practice tongue twisters and vocal warm-up to sharpen your articulation. Experiment with different pitches, discover your high and lows, and also discover your unique vocal qualities. This versatility will enable you to adapt with different projects and characters. Always remember that the tone you choose will significantly impact the kind of message you are passing to the public. While a serious and authoritative tone might work well for corporate narration, a warm and friendly tone might work well for commercials. Above all, practice made perfect, and perfect practice made perfection. So take the time to practice and find out your sweet spot. Relax, my friend, I'm not done with you. When performing voiceover, it is crucial to always connect with the story and the audience. Understand the emotions behind the script. This will elevate your emotions and the way you will act and the audience that you are facing. This connection will help you deliver a more authentic and compelling narration. Take the time to analyze the script. Also make sure you take note of every key point and visualize the story you are telling. By understanding the context and the desired impact, you can actually bring a new character to life. To create high quality voiceovers, investing in professional microphones or equipment is very essential. A good microphone, pop filter, and soundproofing can significantly increase the quality of your voiceover. By the end of the day, people will understand exactly what you are talking about, and it will make them feel entertained. You know what I mean? Entertained while being educated. Don't forget to find a quiet and well-controlled environment for your recordings. This is very essential. To crown it off, familiarize yourself with audio editing softwares to fine-tune your recording. Eliminate background noise, adjust volume level, and also add any effect that is necessary to polish your final product. There are many other potentials in mastering and making money from voiceovers, one of which is to start running a faceless YouTube channel. This is usually recommended for those who are camera shy. Now that you have found different kind of ways that you can actually use to fine-tune your voice talent, then you might be thinking of ways you can also make money with your voice talent. Then the video that just popped up next to me will show you exactly how it is done. Ensure you check it out. In whatever you do, never stop making money.